Hi, I'm Nicole Havelka, and I am bringing my yoga space into unexpected places. About 4 years ago, I felt called to bring my mindfulness and meditation and yoga practices into boardrooms and committee meetings and team meetings where it wasn't very expected, but that I found wild success in helping people be calmer, more focused, more purposeful, and more creative and resilient as they faced periods of change. How do I do that? I do coaching, both long-term and short-term individual and group coaching around particular topics. I do training and team building retreats. I help your team develop the resources, the self-care practices, the things that they need to be resilient and creative in face of change. And I help your whole organization do this with training processes for leaders that include both basic skills for mid-level and executive leaders, as well as the mindfulness and self-care practices that they need in order to continue to defy the trend, to continue to change and move and grow in the face of great adversity. So come see me. I would love to talk with you more about how I can help you and your organization defy the trend.